Hey, what's up?
Hi, nothing much, bro. Just working on this project.
How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
Good.
Why, what happened? Why are you so lost?
Oh, that's nothing. It's just these pandemic issues and financial problems. It keeps going.
Okay, chill. Everything is gonna be fine. And today, how come you called me up?
Oh, about that. I heard a guy is about to join our team. Did you know about that?
Hmm, well, I have no idea about it. I just heard it from you. Well, let's see. Tomorrow, anyway, there's a meeting. Maybe our boss is gonna talk about him.
Yeah, I guess so. It's about it.
Yeah.
Anyways, I heard you're being promoted, bro. Congratulations. I need party, okay? Don't
Thank you,
forget.
dude. Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
sure, bro.
Gotta go now work on the project. I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah,
Bye.
sure. Yeah, bye.
Good morning, guys. We're going to start a meeting right now. We're starting with the town hall. Make sure you all turn on your camera and be attentive when the boss arrives.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Morning,
Good morning,
sir.
sir.
It's good to see everybody so fresh and active on a Monday morning.
It's good to see you too, sir.
All right, let me get straight to the point. I'm here with a few announcements to make. As we all know, one of our key employees has resigned. And with that, I believe we need a bit of restructuring in order to function better. We need new leaders to step up. Hence why I've decided our senior most copywriter, Ms. Chaitra Kumari, has been promoted as the new manager. And she will be monitoring both production as well as execution departments. Congratulations, Chaitra.
Thank you so much, sir.
I know you're capable of this post and I'm counting on you.
Yes, sir.
And our newest joinee, designer Chandan Gowda, has been promoted as the new design head. Congratulations to you as well, Chandan.
Thank you, sir.
And guys, I know the pandemic has been very rough, but I have to say, you all have tackled the situation exceptionally well. You all have done your bits from sitting at your homes itself. Kudos for that. And keep up the good work, guys. I guess that's it for the meeting. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, Chaitra, congratulations. Chandan, congrats.
Thank you, Bhumika.
Thank you so much, Bhumika.
Congratulations, you both. I'm happy for you.
Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Okay, so let's have a rocking party tonight, okay? What say?
Yes,
Hey, sir.
sir.
Waiting for it.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so
Agree.
where do you guys want to go?
So, anywhere where
So let's
non-veg
go
is
for
available.
Yes, sir.
Non-veg.
Donna
Non-veg.
Biryani, sir.
Non-veg is love, sir.
Very well then. Fine then. Let's go to some fancy places because the money is not mine. It's the boss's money. Let's have fun. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And that's great
Sir.
news.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Cool.
Thank you.
Okay, then let's meet at
Thank you, sir.
Indranagar bus stop somewhere. Okay, at 7 or something. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Hi.
Hello, both of you.
What's up?
Hi.
Then,
Hello. Nothing much, bro. Just hanging out over here.
yeah. How was party last night? I had to leave early. I got some work. Did you
It
enjoy?
was amazing. Yeah, it was
Yeah, it's very
amazing,
nice.
bro. It was amazing. And I
Amazing.
just loved
I
your
liked
dress,
the food
dude.
there.
What?
I liked the food over there. It was good, isn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, it's pretty
Obviously.
good.
Yeah.
What else?
Then,
And you looked so
then
pretty
how about
yesterday.
working?
Thank you. You too looked good. I liked your dress, by the way.
Okay. Thank you.
Chandan, you were telling
And
something.
yeah,
Then how about the work yesterday?
It's going. It'll be going. Did
yeah,
you get like
Um,
you should get used to your job, new jobs now. How's
yeah, dude.
oh yeah.
It's going good.
yeah?
Oh, I guess I have to leave now. I guess I've got a meeting
Why?
right now, so I have to leave it right now. I'm so sorry.
Okay,
You
okay then
both
bye.
guys continue. Bye.
Dude, can you believe this? We are working our ass off for past 6 to 7 years, and this girl works for 3 years and gets promoted. I think what boss did is not right. What do you say?
Yeah, dude, I can't believe what boss just did. This fresher is the one lucky girl, I must say.
I know, right? And also, above all, she was my trainee when she joined. I cannot believe taking orders from her now. Huh.
This really sucks, man.
Yeah. Also, I had to ask one thing. I was thinking about changing company because in 3 years I haven't been promoted, nor they have given me a pay raise. What do you say? Like, any suggestion?
Hey, dude, don't go that far. It's a very uncertain situation right now. People are losing their jobs for no reasons. Stick in that company only.
Yeah, it's true actually. Let's see what happens.
Stop worrying. He can't handle the post. It is not a kid's job. He will be demoted. Let's see.
Hey, I we got a text. We have meeting right now. I'll see you there.
Okay, then join now.
Basically, there's a meeting after 5 minutes. So I just want you to guys go out, get some fresh air, and I want you to back, rejoin this Zoom link again because I wanted to actually discuss about the project. And as it's my first meeting as a manager, I want everything to be, in a good bond. So I think you guys are getting my point. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So let's meet after 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dude, what is she talking about?
I mean, she will do anything because she is the manager. She will run the company in her own way.
I know, right? We have been here for past 5 to 6 years. Isn't it enough? What is 2%? It is pocket change. Huh.
No, it's 5% for 5 years now.
This is crazy. I'm so done working here. I'm really.
Uh, hello. Hello,
Hi.
everyone.
Bye.
Hi.
Okay. So, how are you guys?
Yeah, everything is good.
Yeah, fine.
Okay. So, you guys were having some serious discussion.
No, no, it was just some
No,
casual talks.
no,
Okay. To you guys, expressions were so serious, so I thought it's something serious.
No, no.
no, no.
Okay. So basically, I wanted to tell that, like before being a manager, we are an employee. So if you have any doubts or any problem, you can contact me. Okay?
Mm,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, T-tip, basically it's a T brand, and it's obvious that it's not going to be easy to crack it. So let's just come up with some options of our approach, for the copies. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Let's leave. At least there is some good work to do.
Yeah, today was
Uh,
so going great anyway.
okay. So looking at the deadlines for our, existing project. So I have assigned Bhumika, to make a
Oh,
lead role on this.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah. And there are many more projects coming up, so I'll make sure that everyone is playing a major role in that. How is that? Like,
Yeah, good.
okay, it seems that you guys are not
Okay,
interested.
it's done. We can go now, right?
uh okay. Yeah, it's done. Yeah. It's okay. It's the first day. No problem. I'll make sure that everyone is consoled, and I'll prove them that I'm capable for it.
Hey, what's the matter, Chaitra? You seem so lost.
uh Nothing much. Just I wanted to sit alone.
It's okay, you can share it with me. Maybe I can help you out.
Mm, okay. It's just I just wanted to say sorry to my teammates because like for the client, I didn't even ask my teammates their opinions. I just went and I said yes that I'm gonna submit the sample within a week. So because of that, I felt my teammates aren't happy, and even I was quite jealous of my post because I felt that I deserve being like in sales head position rather than the manager. So I was quite jealous, and due to that I directly went and I told the client and I messed up everything, and now I don't know what to do.
See, Chaitra, let me say one thing. Having desire for a better position is not a bad thing. These are the things that motivate you to work hard. And you say you feel sorry. If you feel sorry, just go apologize with your teammates. Maybe that can help you feel better.
Yes, sir. Sure.
What I say is call up for a meeting and settle it
Yes,
down.
sir, for sure. I'll call up the meeting now. Hello, everybody.
Hi.
I
Hi. What's up?
Nothing much.
Okay, so in a minute, boss is gonna join us. Okay.
I hope it's
Okay.
not another speech.
Okay. So yeah. So all I wanted to say, yeah, I know that today was the day where you people would have made fun of me or any other casual day, but not today, guys. Like as a product like T-tip, we are about to lose it. And I'm not saying that it's your fault or we had short timings or something like that. I totally take the ownership that it's my fault, that I did not concern your like your opinions, or I did not even try to ask your opinions, like what you're feeling about it. And I directly went and told yes to the client. I know that it's wrong, but we can't help it. So I all just wanted to say sorry to you guys, and due to our boss, the founders have agreed to it, to give a last chance. So I need your help, guys. So yes,
Yeah, of course.
are we together?
Obviously.
I want everyone to reply.
Yeah, we are together.
Okay. What happened, Chandan Gowda? You don't seem to be together. Why?
Sorry. Sorry, don't worry. We are with you.
Okay. Okay. So now exactly we know what our team or what our clients need. So we'll just work on that and make sure that we get this deal done. Yes?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay. So let's get back to the work.
Okay.
Let's finish it.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, guys. Finally, the day has come. Before Now, before the client comes, I just want to tell you something that, till now, whatever we have done, it's a great job and we gave our best shot. And if you people are thinking that, like if the client does not agree for it, it would be very embarrassing. So just let me tell you that the most important thing is that we have worked as a team and the teamwork,
Yeah,
right? As we have worked as a team.
the client is here.
What?
The client is here.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. So, guys, I guess I need to leave right now. So, bye, guys.
The best,
All the
Chaitra.
best, Chaitra.
Thank you so much. Good morning, everyone.
Good
Should we
morning.
begin? Should we begin, sir?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So, until now, we had this approach of tea tip that, tea for the special moments. But now we have made few changes and got few ideas for it that tea tips, the moments are what you made for each other. And we have we have target our audience that is called youth. And like from past 1 years, it's that we have like mostly 70 to 80% of youth who is consuming this, and the benefit of this is that it boosts your immunity system. And we know that since it's COVID, it's very important to boost our immunity. So I feel this is very beneficial and it's a very good approach because it is plant based, no animals are tested. So which is, I feel, is a good approach. Tea tip.
Okay. I agreed your idea, which is in consideration of youth. And we are happy to collaborate with your company. And thank you
Thank you so much, sir.
so much.
Congratulations, guys. I knew you could crack the deal.
Thank you so much,
Everybody,
sir.
good job. Especially Chaitra. You were great with the presentation.
Thank you, sir. And yeah, obviously, I I wouldn't be possible to do with my teammates. So I would like to thank all my team members to cooperate and to trust me that I can do this deal and we can crack this deal too. So thank you so much, guys, to trust me.
Congratulations, Chaitra.
This girl is really a true visionary. She is get for the role she has been given.
Yeah, we should not have underestimated her. She proved us wrong through her work. Really happy for her.
Thank you, guys.